Came across an SSDB database file from a legacy application and need to query its data? This is a SQL Server Compact Embedded Database file. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to access these SQL Server Compact Database files. If you frequently deal with unusual SSDB file types, a universal file viewer is an essential tool. We'll cover exactly the one I use and recommend later in the walkthrough. An SSDB file is a database used by Samsung Android devices, typically for the social hub or contacts applications. Users encounter this file when performing a phone backup, attempting data recovery, or conducting mobile forensics. The primary goal is to access and extract contact lists, messages, and call logs. The file is structured as a standard SQLite 3 database, a self-contained serverless transactional SQL database engine. Samsung chose this format for its robustness, small footprint, and efficient data management capabilities, making it ideal for storing structured user data on mobile devices with limited resources. For SSDB, the safest workflow is starting with software. Full file access relies on specialized software that can rebuild the file's index. Windows gives only a surface-level look, so understanding the data requires proper DB tools. Right-click the SSDB file and choose Open With. If you see a category-appropriate option, for example, software, try that first. Otherwise, test a few different apps from the list. When your SSDB file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. The file didn't cooperate. Let's now transition to these 3 highly effective troubleshooting steps to conquer the SSDB problem. First, opening with SQL Server Compact Toolbox. Install SQL Server Compact Toolbox, a Visual Studio extension or standalone tool for managing SQL CE databases. Open the SSDB file to browse tables, run queries, view data, and modify schema. The toolbox provides comprehensive database administration features for SQL Server Compact files. Next, using Visual Studio. Open Visual Studio with Server Explorer and add a new connection selecting SQL Server Compact 4.0 as the data source. Browse to the SSDB file and connect. The Server Explorer displays tables and allows query execution, data viewing, and basic database management within the Visual Studio environment. Finally, migrating to SQL Server. Use SQL Server Compact Toolbox or scripting tools to export SSDB schema and data to standard SQL Server Local DB or SQL Server Express. Microsoft discontinued SQL Server Compact, and migration ensures continued support, modern features, and compatibility with current development tools and Windows versions. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like FileMagick, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagick.com. We appreciate your support. Please take a second to hit the like button and join the subscribers.